Cryptocurrencies, cannabis stocks, and CEO interviews brought to you by Rich TV Live.
What's up? How's everybody doing on YouTube today? It's your boy Rich, and we are live. And today I want to talk to you about how to make money. Are you excited about making money? Hey Jen, happy birthday. What are you doing? So, everybody always asks me, Rich, what tools do you use? So for those of you guys that are following on Facebook, I'm actually showing these tools on YouTube. So if you go to our YouTube channel, Rich TV Live, you will see the tools that I'm actually showing. It's actually called nasdaq.com. So for anybody that wants to learn how to make money, I am using a tool called nasdaq.com. So all you got to do is go to www.richtvlive.com, which I am showing on YouTube right now. I'll type it here on Facebook for you guys. If you go to richtvlive.com and then you go to the stock section and you hover on top of the stock section, the very first option is NASDAQ. You click on NASDAQ, okay? And what it does is it gives you the ability to set up an account. What you need to do is you need to set up a free account. It's called a smart portfolio. You set up your smart portfolio, which I've already set up my smart portfolio. So then what you do is you go to your smart portfolio where you've got a list of all your top stocks. And the thing I love about this platform is you create a portfolio and then you put in all your top stocks, and what it does is it will actually tell you based on analyst estimates on the NASDAQ whether it's a strong buy, a moderate buy, a strong sell, and they even have analyst estimates for predictions for the future. It's true. They actually have analyst estimates for predictions for the future. So one of the things that I noticed about nasdaq.com that really got my attention, that I really liked, is, you know, you look at some of these stocks like GBTC, Bitcoin Investment Trust. Obviously, Bitcoin is going down. So what is their prediction? It's going to go down. So let's see what some analyst estimates are for some of these stocks. Now, take a look at this. Twitter, they've got Twitter as, right now, they got Twitter as going up 12%. That's pretty substantial for Twitter. And let's see. If I go to hot stocks, you will see some predictions. Hot stocks. And why is it not showing the estimates? Where are my estimates? Let's go here. So typically what it does, it'll give you analyst estimates. And here it is. So you can see the analyst price targets and the estimates. So see right here with Amazon, they are predicting that even though Amazon is at $1,886, they're predicting that it is going to go up to $2,103, which is 11.48% upside. If you look here at Bank of America, you can see that it's currently at $31.77. They are projecting a $34.50 price increase, so a 8.59% upside, an increase of $3.13. If you take a look at EYES, a company that I'm watching very carefully, EYES, currently at $1.53. They're saying it's at a moderate buy. They're estimating it's going to go up to $5, which is a 226% increase. That's an enormous increase. Look at Facebook, currently at $186. The analyst estimates on nasdaq.com is that it's going to $207, which is a 11% increase, okay? This is a very powerful tool for anyone that's learning about trading because it's giving you estimates, it's giving you projections, it's giving you expectations. So if you're an investor and you're looking for some help, this is an amazing tool and it's free. Look at this. GW Pharma, one of the granddaddies of the cannabis industry, currently at $133.75. They are projecting it's going to $199, which is 49% upside. That's right, 49% upside. Home Depot, another company that I'm very bullish on, at $198. They are projecting it will go to $212. It is a strong buy, 6% upside. Now, this is where it gets really exciting. When we get to the cannabis stocks, this is where it gets a little bit exciting. So, Kush Bottles, a company that I'm watching very, very carefully, a company that I put in my top 10. They are saying it has 79% upside. Currently at $4.18. They are projecting it is going to $7.50, a 79% increase. Look at MasterCard, a company that I love. People are getting into more debt. Look at MasterCard. It's a strong buy, currently at $203. They are projecting, this is nasdaq.com, that it is going to $228, a 12% increase, okay? And Netflix, another one that I love, currently at $347. They are projecting a 12% increase to $390. Scott's Miracle-Gro, currently at $76. They are projecting a 12% increase to $85. These are nasdaq.com analysts. This is where it gets really exciting. Cannabis stocks. Aurora Cannabis, ACB, currently at $6.26 Canadian. They're projecting it will go to $10, a 59% upside. How about Afria, currently at $9.99 Canadian. It is a moderate buy right now. They're projecting it is going to go to $24.50 Canadian, a 145% buy. It's true, a 145% buy. How about Gene? They just announced today that they raised $25 million. The name of my website, Pistol Pete, is www.richtvlive.com. Take a look at Gene, currently at $1.43, up 10% today on news that they just raised $25 million. The upside is enormous. They are projected to go to $3, a 109% increase. These are enormous estimates. How about Organigram? Currently at $5.20 Canadian, OGRMF in America. A $7 price estimate, a 34% gain. How about the Green Organic Dutchman? One that I love, currently at $5.51 Canadian, TGODF in America. A price estimate of $9.20 from here. A 66.97% upside. Oh, how about CanTrust? Another one in my top 10. You notice that all my top 10s are expected to explode? It's true. So CanTrust Holdings, TRST, currently at $6.43, expected to go to $15.50, a 141% upside. Why are they expecting all the cannabis stocks to explode on nasdaq.com? Isn't it one of those things that make you go, isn't it? Isn't it just one of those things that make you go, I think it is. How about WestJet? Currently at $17, expected to go to $18, a 7.2% upside. So what I'm doing is I'm sprinkling in some other stocks with cannabis stocks that I'm buying and I'm holding and I'm watching and I'm bringing to you, the people, to prove to you it's not just the cannabis stocks that they are doing estimates on. And for whatever reason, it's only the cannabis stocks that they have these massive expectations on. But why? But why? Do they know something that you don't know? Look at this. Tesla, currently at $371, they've got a 12% downside on Tesla. So if you were thinking about buying Tesla, I would think twice unless you're thinking to short it, because the nasdaq.com analysts are estimating it's going to go down 12% to $325. This is why this is such a powerful tool, and it is free. You can find it absolutely free at www.richtvlive.com. Scroll over stocks. I have all the tools I use there, absolutely free. nasdaq.com is the first tool. You can build a free watch list, put all your favorite stocks that you're watching there, and they will give you analyst estimates on some of them, not all of them, just the ones that they've got estimates on, usually the biggest ones. Let's look at Twitter, another one that your boy Rich brought to you guys, okay? And I brought you guys Twitter a long time ago. Look at this. So I've got all my picks, my top picks, since January 2017. The number one pick that I made for you guys in January 2017 was Canopy Growth Corp weed. It was at $9.69 January 2nd. It is up 255% since that alert. Currently around $34. You can see all my top picks. The Green Organic Dutchman, I brought that pick to you guys this April 30th when it did its IPO. It's currently up 53%. So my lowest pick is up 53%. My highest pick, 255%. Since Rich TV Live has been live on the air doing predictions, you can find those predictions free on www.richtvlive.com. Now, Twitter is one of those. As you can see, I did that prediction live for you guys on Rich TV Live. I've always loved Twitter. And you can see here, Twitter is my, where is it? My third best prediction, currently up 143% since I brought it to you guys April 10th, 2018 at $13.53. What did I tell you guys, man? I told you guys Twitter was a winner. Now we've got this powerful tool, nasdaq.com, that can give you tools to let you know whether or not you should buy something, whether or not you should hold something, whether or not you should sell something. Is this not a great tool? If you love this tool, smash the like button, share this video everywhere on all social media platforms so that everybody else can use this tool too. Why should I be the only one using this tool? Why should you be the only one using this tool? We should all be using this tool. Now, WWE, World Wrestling, has been a huge winner. It's still a strong buy, currently at $78. NASDAQ.com has them as a strong buy at an upside of 19%, a price target of $93.44. So if you're a long trader like me, or you're a momentum trader, a day trader, or you're a speculator, this is a great tool to just give you more understanding of where some of these stocks are going to go. Let's look at some of my other picks, because I got lots of picks. So we're going to look at some more picks. What else got some upside? Exact Sciences, EXAS, currently at $50. They are projecting it as a strong buy and going to $66, a 31% upside. Goldman Sachs, I love Goldman Sachs. It's a beast. Warren Buffett bought it. If it's good enough for Warren, it's good enough for me. Currently at $237. The upside is 18% to $282. ICPT at $118, a moderate buy, saying it's got 5% upside to $124. IIPR, Innovative Industrial Properties Inc., a $33 stock, currently a moderate buy with 20% upside to $40. Some of these stocks do not have projections, okay? Look at this one. This is a cheap one. Golden Leaf Holdings, GLH in Canada, currently at 23 cents, a moderate buy, 122% upside to 50 cents. It's one you need to put on your watch list, put it on your radar. Huge upside. Look at this. What does NASDAQ.com know that only your boy Rich knows? That these stocks are going to explode. Here's the evidence. MPX Bioceutical Corp, MPX in Canada at 77 cents. A upside of 62%. Are you kidding me? To $1.25? Do you own MPX? You should think about it. How about this? This is the one I wanted to show you. It's ridiculous. Saniva Inc., SNN in Canada, SNNVF in America. It's a strong buy, currently at $5.60. This is the upside of the century. They are projecting it's going to $22.83, 307% upside. This is the type of stock you just buy it, you just put it aside, and you hold it for the explosion, because it's coming. Your boy Rich Stradamus has already predicted it. It's coming. How about TD Bank? Always a good buy at $77 in Canada. The upside is 10% to $85 in Canada. I'm going to give you a couple more. Canopy Growth Corp. They still like Canopy Growth Corp. Even though it's at $36 Canadian, up 5% on the day, they are projecting it's going to go up another 9% to $39.50 Canadian. Wow. So there is nasdaq.com, the tools of the gods. All you got to do is go to www.richtvlive.com, scroll over stocks, click on NASDAQ, and set up your smart portfolio. Click on smart portfolio, and then start adding your picks to your watch list. You can build watch lists. You can see I've got multiple watch lists. You can edit your portfolios, add portfolios, create new portfolios. So like here's a new portfolio, and you just start by adding your picks. It's really that simple. So anybody can do it. If you guys like this video, smash the like button. Please comment down below. I'm going to put this over here for you guys. NASDAQ.com, a free tool, a powerful tool that will help you win big. Thank you for watching. Remember, Rich TV Live is strictly for education and entertainment purposes. Always do your due diligence. Always do your research before you invest in anything we talk about here on Rich TV Live. If you're not winning, you're not watching. Let's take a look at some of the winners on the day. You can see Kush Bottles, one of my top 10 picks, is on fire today. So we've got some winners. Invictus just got another $25 million. So a lot of big things are happening, guys. I got to go back, do more research, got to do more due diligence, got to look for some more picks. This is your boy Rich, bringing you the winners, because that's what we do. If you're not winning, you're not watching. This is your boy Rich, and I'm out. Peace.